Welcome to English Speak Podcast.
Learn with English Podcast Corner.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast, Practice English with Merry and Elon.
Hi there. Nice to see you again, friends. How are you today?
We hope you're doing great and ready to learn English with us. Today's topic is fun. We'll talk about travel.
Yes, traveling is something many people love. You can visit new places, try new food, and meet new people.
That's right. And today's lesson is called Let's Talk About Travel. Easy English listening and speaking.
Perfect for A1 and A2 English learners who want to practice listening and speaking in real-life situations.
In this episode, you'll learn useful travel words and phrases, hear an easy conversation, and practice with us.
Oh, and don't forget, we have a free PDF for you. It includes today's full script, vocabulary list, and exercises like fill-in-the-blanks and multiple-choice questions.
Yes, you can download it from the description.
Before we start, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It really helps our community grow and keeps us motivated to make more lessons for you.
All right, ready to begin?
Let's go.
So, Elon, do you like traveling?
Oh, yes. I love traveling. Traveling makes me happy. I enjoy seeing new places and meeting new people.
That's great. I also love traveling, but I don't travel very often. I travel maybe once or twice a year.
Same here. I usually travel during holidays. Mary, where did you travel last?
I went to Cox's Bazar last year. It's a beautiful beach in Bangladesh.
Oh, that sounds nice. How did you go there?
I went by bus. It was a long trip, around 10 hours, but I enjoyed the view.
That's great. So, let's teach our listeners some useful travel vocabulary.
Okay, first word, destination. Repeat after me. Destination.
Good job. A destination is the place where you want to go. Example, my destination is Paris.
Nice. Next is luggage. Say it slowly. Luggage.
That means the bags you carry when you travel. Example, I put my luggage in the car.
Perfect. Now, an important word, ticket. You need a ticket to travel for the bus, train, or airplane. Example, I bought a ticket to Dubai.
Great. Here's one more. Passport. A passport is a small book with your photo and information. You need it for international travel.
Excellent. Let's say all the words again, slowly. Repeat after us. Destination, luggage, ticket, passport.
Awesome. You're doing great, everyone.
Let's listen to a short travel conversation.
Okay, here we go. Listen carefully. Hi, where are you going?
I'm going to the airport.
Oh, are you flying to another city?
Yes, I'm flying to London for a vacation.
Wow, that's exciting. Don't forget your passport.
Thank you. I have it right here. Great. Now, let's talk about what we heard.
Okay. Mary said, I'm going to the airport. That's a useful travel phrase. Repeat. I'm going to the airport.
Good. And Elon said, don't forget your passport. You can use this when you remind someone. Repeat. Don't forget your passport.
Perfect. Now, let's listen one more time and try to say the sentences with us. Hi, where are you going?
I'm going to the airport.
Oh, are you flying to another city?
Yes, I'm flying to London for a vacation.
Wow, that's exciting. Don't forget your passport.
Thank you. I have it right here. Great. That's a great example of how to talk about travel in English.
Yes. When you meet someone who is traveling, you can ask, where are you going? Or how are you traveling?
Or you can say, I'm going on a trip next week.
That's right. These are everyday sentences, short, simple and useful.
We'll learn more phrases in the next part about travel plans, hotels, and food.
Yes, so stay with us.
Welcome back, friends. In the first part, we talked about travel words like destination, luggage, ticket, and passport.
Yes, you also practiced a short conversation about going to the airport. You did great. Thank you for staying with us. Now, let's learn how to talk about hotels, food, and travel plans.
Good idea. So, Mary, when you travel, where do you stay? I usually stay in a hotel. Repeat after me. Hotel.
Great. A hotel is a place where you sleep when you travel. Example, I booked a hotel near the beach.
Nice. Another word is reservation. It means you call or book a room before you arrive. Example, I made a reservation for 2 nights.
That's a useful one. Let's say again, reservation.
Perfect. Now let's listen to a short hotel conversation. Hello, I have a reservation for tonight.
Welcome. May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Mary Brown.
Thank you, Mary. Here is your room key. Your room is on the 2nd floor.
Thank you very much.
Great job, everyone. Let's discuss that short conversation.
The guest said, I have a reservation for tonight. That means she booked a room before she came.
And the receptionist said, May I have your name, please? That's a polite question. Repeat after us. May I have your name, please?
Excellent. You can also say, here is your room key. That's something hotel staff often say.
Let's listen one more time and try to repeat with us.
Hello, I have a reservation for tonight.
Welcome. May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Mary Brown.
Thank you, Mary. Here is your room key. Your room is on the 2nd floor.
Thank you very much. Wonderful. You sound more confident already.
Let's learn a few travel phrases about food and sightseeing.
Oh, yes. Food is my favorite part of traveling.
Same here. When you travel, you can say, I want to try local food. Repeat. I want to try local food.
You can also ask, can you recommend a good restaurant nearby? That means you want suggestions for where to eat.
Excellent. Another simple phrase is, the food is delicious. You can say this when you enjoy your meal.
Perfect. Let's listen to another short travel conversation. Excuse me, can you recommend a good restaurant nearby?
Yes. Try Ocean View Cafe. The food is delicious.
Thank you. I love trying local food.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Great job. Now let's discuss what we learned. Mary said, can you recommend a good restaurant? That's a polite question.
And Ellen said, the food is delicious. That's a nice way to give a compliment.
Let's repeat both sentences slowly. Can you recommend a good restaurant? The food is delicious.
Very good. You're speaking more naturally now.
Before we finish, let's review today's key travel phrases together.
Okay, repeat after us. Destination, luggage, ticket, passport, hotel, reservation, local food, delicious.
Great! You did it! Now, here's a small question for you, our listeners. What's the first thing you do in the morning when you travel?
That's a fun question. Tell us your answer in the comments below.
And don't forget to download the free PDF for today's lesson. It includes this full script, vocabulary, multiple choice questions, and fill in the gap activities to help you practice more.
If you liked this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy English lessons every week.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
Remember, practice a little every day and you'll speak English with confidence.
See you next time, travelers. Bye for now.
Bye-bye and safe travels.